Hi everyone, my name's Jeyda and welcome to our Bay Street project. The original position of the kitchen area was where the splashback window is currently. Because our clients wanted to have it quite open planned, we decided to incorporate this timber batten wall. The joinery that we've used in these spaces is the Polytech wood matte black, and then we've paired this with our quantum quartz Michelangelo stone in a 40mm thick, and then we've paired these with matte black fittings and fixtures. So opening up this area and incorporating a large splashback window, it's really made it feel really light and airy in this space, and it also works really well because we've got dark joinery. Despite all the design and construction challenges, we've been able to create a beautiful and useful space.